Hey y'all, welcome back, and let's get into our gold chart. So currently we're looking at the monthly time frame. We want to jump into an analysis for the week of July 2nd. We are in a brand new month. June closed out, pushing just past this trend line, this overall trend line channel that we had set up here. Price has actually found itself here at a demand zone right here that is pushing right off of currently. But that doesn't mean that we can't see more downside or more upside. But currently right now we have a nice rejection here at our resistance point. Nice strong rejection, and again a break of this bottom line of that uptrend channel. So that's good to see for more potential downside to come. But again, we're bouncing out of this demand zone that we've identified on a lower time frame. So let's hop over to the weekly. Been in a nice downtrend for a few weeks, right? 8 weeks of a downtrend, okay? And again, you see that nice clean break here into this demand zone. And then that last week here, we pushed back up, right? It's a key area thus far where we could actually see a push upside, right? If this area seems to hold, even though we closed last week with a red bar, look how tiny, the body of that candle is. Then we're also, let's not forget, we are above this 50 right here, right? So we want to keep all those things in mind, as again, that could show us that we could potentially see some more upside, right? Bullish reversal is not off the table. I want to say that. Let's drill down to the daily. Here we see on our daily that we have a nice clean push out of this demand zone, right? Let's also throw a trend line in here so we can see if we had a break of this downtrend, which I think we did. Yes. So as you see, we had these multiple days of a downtrend, and now our price is actually all of this downtrend, and now price is bouncing off of it, and we broke this downtrend trend line. So that would give me, based on the daily, that would give me an indication that we could potentially see more upside, right? That can be an upside that could play out multiple ways, as always, right? Right now we're pulling out. We can pull back to this area, which is 1914, so the top of this demand zone, and then push further, right? To this 1940, because that's a strong area of support right here. If we look to the left, right? Well, it was support at first, is what I'm trying to say, right? Support, it hit it a few times till it finally broke it, right? Now this area is going to act as our resistance, okay? So we could potentially see this 1939, 1940 zone and then proceed to further downside. Or again, if we break above this level, 1939, 1940, then we can see potentially more upside, okay? Because currently on the daily though, price is beneath the 50, right? So it's a few things we want to pay attention to when we're going into the trading week next week. We want to make sure that we do notice that this downtrend has been broken with a nice surge out of this demand zone, meaning or suggesting that we can see some further upside to that 1939, 1940 zone. With that, stay focused, do your homework, and keep trading. Peace.